Hello everyone, I am Pratik Bhatnagar and I am a car enthusiast from Delhi. I have an Instagram page by the name Pratik Bhatnagar 17. This video is a small compilation of top 10 rare cars that I have spotted in Delhi. So watch the full video and follow me on Instagram for more updates. The first car is the Lamborghini Aventador Super Veloce Coupe. Limited to just 600 in the numbers, it is the only SV coupe present in the country. Next is Porsche 991.1911 Turbo. It is the only .1 turbo in the country. This particular car shares garage with Ferrari 488 GTB, Aston Martin Vantage, Porsche Panamera Turbo and some more cars. Up next is 911 Carrera GTS, just two in the country, both in Carmine red paint. This is wrapped in Miami blue and shares garage with Ferrari 599, Lamborghini Gallardo, Bentley Continental GT and Ghost. I was lucky enough to spot the second Carrera GTS also. This was in Delhi for a very short time. Calling Mumbai home, this car has a full carbon GT3 RS hood with Vossen wheels and full IP exhaust system. Next is the classic Ferrari 328 GTS being the convertible version. Just two of these are present in the country. This one shares garage with Maserati Quattroporte, Bentley S2 and some more cars. The next car is the Rolls-Royce Ghost Majestic Horse Edition. Just 7 of these were produced worldwide and India got one of them. It is one of the very exclusive cars that are present in India. From one British car to another one. The next is Aston Martin Virage Coupe. This is the only coupe version of the V12 Virage that is there in India. The next is my dream car, the Ferrari 458 Speciale. The hardcore version of the Ferrari 458 Italia. Just 3 of them are there in the country, 2 of them being in Delhi, both in Rosso Corsa paint with NART stripes. On number 9 is the Ferrari 488 Pista Spider. Pista, which means track in Italian, is a hardcore version of the Ferrari 488. Pista Spider is a very special and limited edition Ferrari, only allocated to very special Ferrari customers. This is the only Pista Spider in the country at the moment. Last is the Huracan Aveo. It is a special edition V10 Lamborghini, limited to just 250 in numbers and only 3 color options. India has 3 Lamborghini Aveo. I also got an opportunity to experience it on the track. So here's a small video for all of you to enjoy, and I will be back with another video very soon. Cheers.